Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're trying to use OmeTV on phone but suddenly found yourself banned, don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to unban OmeTV and get back to chatting. So let's jump right in. First off, let's quickly understand why OmeTV bans users. It can happen for multiple reasons. Someone might have reported your profile, you may have violated their guidelines accidentally, or sometimes it's just a glitch in the system. Either way, it usually blocks your IP address, not your entire phone, and that's important to know. Here's the trick that usually does the job: use a VPN. VPN can change your IP address to a different one. So first you need to uninstall OmeTV, which can be done right from your home screen. Then open the App Store and search for any free trusted VPN app like Turbo VPN. Now download and install it. Once downloaded, open the VPN app. And connect to a different country or region. Once you're connected, go back to App Store and download OmeTV. Then open OmeTV and try using it again. Since your IP is now different, OmeTV should treat you like a new user, meaning the ban is bypassed. Just a quick tip: avoid doing anything on OmeTV that might break their community guidelines, even unintentionally. Repeated bans can make it increasingly harder to get unbanned in the future. Use the app respectfully and you'll be fine without any issues. And that's it. You should now be able to access OmeTV again on your iPhone without any issues. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.